So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram music no results found on posts. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to fix this Instagram music no result found on posts, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is actually check your internet connection. So if you have poor internet connection, it might not show up. So that's your first one. So the second one is song is not available on your Instagram. So this may be another reason why there's no song. So for example, if you search a song right here, it's not available on Instagram, and the result that you've been looking for might not be available here. So when you search a certain song, it might not yet appear. So the second one was actually using Instagram business account. So when you have Instagram business account and you don't have your personal account, basically it won't work. So the next one is actually the basic one. So all you have to do is go to the App Store and to your Instagram and check if it's updated to the latest version. So this might fix all your problems if you have not been solved yet. So it might be an outdated Instagram, and sometimes they have no support for that music, so just check it out. So when you're trying to search for music, so red drum, something like that. So as you can see, there is here, but sometimes when you're using a business account, it might be subjected to copyright and such, but there you go. That is how you fix that issue, and thank you for watching the video, and see you again next time.